teachers! Are you ready to make coding fun, interactive, and totally screen-free? Then the Unplugged Coding Kit from Resolute Education is your go-to classroom companion for creative coding lessons. Unplugged coding is all about exploring coding concepts through play, collaboration, imagination, no devices required. And the best part? Packed neatly inside each case, you'll find everything you need to make your lessons come alive. Activity cards to help facilitate off-screen coding. Stationery and tools to help you make your lessons come to life. Games so that you can keep things exciting and engaging. And a teacher's guide to keep you on track and completely caps aligned. It's flexible, simple, and ready to use the moment you open it. No stress, no setup, just meaningful, joyful learning. If you're ready to unplug and spark creativity in your classroom, then the Unplugged Coding Kit is just the right tool to help you do that. Click the link below to order your Unplugged Coding Kit.